Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I just want to draw your attention to that number. It didn't dawn on me until this clicked today. This is a quarter of the way through to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm absolutely blown away. And I think today, really, this is a day behind. I think over here, yes, I don't want to zoom out, but 38 in the past 28 days. So I thought I was doing pretty good with getting one a day, and let's set a goal. So when this publishes, it'll be the 18th of January. So let's see if we can set a goal of making 1,000 subscribers. I think on this upward trend we can do that. So I need your help. If there's anybody that you know that has an interest or is struggling or is wanting to learn programming, send them this way, because I need all the eyeballs on this I can, because I want this. I've had so many good questions, so many awesome ideas, so many wonderful compliments, and I'd love to get as many eyeballs on this as possible, because I want to have the best product. I want to be challenged. I want to make sure that I'm having all the videos everybody needs and wants to learn how to program in Python, because I think it is a wonderful, wonderful introductory language. And you guys have been so supportive, keeping me on my toes, saying, hey, have you seen this? Hey, have you seen this? Have you thought about this? I mean, the playlists, that's probably the best idea that have gotten so far, and that was probably within the past, I lose track, 2 months? No, month. I think we might have passed a month now. So you guys are directing the channel, so I guess I'm saying take over more. Let's see what we can do. Let's see how far we can get challenged. Let's see what we can get done. So this isn't me. This is us. I want to have the best product out there, because there's some wonderful things I'd love to do, and I want to be the best instructor I can. So I need your help. I want to be challenged even more. So you guys have been doing great, so complimentary. I've rambled on longer than I thought, but a quarter of the way there. Let's have a goal. We'll check back in 365 days. So 365 videos. This should be 367. So we'll check back in a year, 365 days, and we'll see where we are. Let's see how close we can get. But I just can't say thank you enough. You guys have blown me away. Just thank you. Quarter of the way there. Let's see what we can get done. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, the notification bell, if you've not already done all those. And thanks always for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.